Which one of these cool laptops should you buy as a student? And what's the best value laptop for your budget and requirements? Worry not, as in this video, we have compiled a list of the top 5 best laptops for students. So without further ado, let's get right into this. Are you looking for the best Intel laptop on a mid-budget? Look no further, as the Asus Vivobook 14 stands out as the perfect companion for students, offering an ideal blend of performance and affordability. Boasting a 14-inch Full HD display, it brings your studies to life with vibrant visuals. Connectivity is also seamless as it has USB ports, HDMI output, and an audio combo jack. Is its Asus NumberPad 2.0, which simplifies math calculation by converting the touchpad into a number pad. Powered by an Intel Core i5 12th generation processor, 8 GB RAM, and a swift 256 GB SSD, multitasking is a breeze with this stylish laptop. There's even an upgrade option for a 13th generation Intel processor if you add some extra bucks. Before we move on, we would appreciate it if you subscribe to our channel to get all the latest updates in the tech world. What if we told you could buy a good laptop with your 2 months pocket money? Yes, the Acer Aspire 3 is one such laptop that offers mind-blowing features for a price of $300 only. Boasting a 15.6-inch Full HD IPS display, its picture quality is much better than other low-budget laptops in the market. Under the hood, this laptop has got an AMD Ryzen 3 7000 series CPU with Radeon graphics that makes you feel relaxed while doing assignments, research, and even light gaming. Thanks to its base speed of 4.1 GHz. And with 8 GB of DDR5 RAM and an SSD, it's a dream come true for its price. And the coolest part? You can go through your entire day without needing to recharge, thanks to its impressive 11-hour max battery life. The 2023 MacBook Air from Apple elevates your computing experience with its impressive features. Its expandable 15.3-inch Liquid Retina display delivers stunning visuals, providing more room for your work and entertainment. One advantage of this laptop over others is you can choose between 4 cool colors. The M2 chip in the MacBook Air makes everything you do on the laptop much faster. Whether you're editing videos, working on projects, or watching shows online, it has got your back. With a 1080p HD camera, Touch ID for security, and all-day battery life, this MacBook Air is designed to meet all your needs. Lastly, the 6 speakers with spatial audio provide an immersive audio experience, making it the perfect companion for both work and play. Next, let's check out the Samsung Galaxy Book 3, a laptop that stands out as one of the best Intel 13th Gen laptops available. Powered by the latest 13th Gen Intel Core i7 processor, 16 GB of memory, and a 512 GB storage capacity, it ensures seamless multitasking and ample space for your files. Designed to be thin and light, the Galaxy Book 3 is highly portable, making it perfect for school or college students. However, that's not all. The built-in fingerprint reader ensures convenient and secure access to your device. With multiple ports, connectivity is also convenient here, allowing you to adapt to almost any situation. Introducing the HP 2023 Envy X360, a laptop that's all about making life easier and more enjoyable. It comes with an extensive and easy-to-use 15.6-inch touchscreen, which, in combination with its powerful AMD Ryzen 7 processor and AMD Radeon graphics, transforms your computing into an immersive one. You will also get 16 GB of memory and a speedy 512 GB storage drive, plus a handy fingerprint reader for extra security. Need more screen space? No problem. You can use your tablet or another computer as a second screen. And for video calls, it's got a high-quality camera, good microphones, and awesome speakers by Bang & Olufsen. So that was all about the top 5 best laptop for students. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to the Next Cube channel.